Hello, welcome to Motive. Very excited to show you our 2012 458 Spider. Finished in Stellato black with Sabbia interior. Has some lovely features. Electric memory heated seats. Carbon fibre steering wheel, white dials. This one also has reverse sensors and the JLB upgraded sound system. Porsche crests. 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, carbon ceramics, this car has 3 owners from new, but has full Ferrari service history. Service every year of its life with the Ferrari main dealer. Travelled 25,000 miles. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or if you want to make an appointment, please don't hesitate to contact us.